This is snowman.
Are you making one or are you stabbing one? You're stabbing him? How about we put his nose back where it goes? It's a screwdriver because that's all we have. Okay. Now he has a big dot on his head. Who built that snowman? Huh? Oh my gosh, no way. Hey. Say hello. Let's go inside and eat too.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, look. Look, there's Mom. Right here. Tell Mom, hi Mom.
Hi, Mom.
We built a snowman.
We're the snowman.
I love you.
I love you.
Hello?
Hello?
I love you, Joe. Who built that snowman? Hey, Jojo.
Who's that?
Who built the snowman?